Should Goa's MLAs junk that Brazil junket? Well, you can join that debate because the Chief Minister certainly isn't joining. So I'm being joined by Karim Ben Sharifa. He's the Chief Coach of the Pune FC. Perhaps listening to the Goa Chief Minister very carefully. Does he have a point, Karim?
Well, to be fair, I think he does. You know, because if you see the last, always in FIFA, for example, the World Cup, the next organizing country always send the organizing delegation with the specific roles to get to see the organization of the previous, so they avoid mistakes and they can learn from that expertise. I think there is nothing wrong with that. I personally, because I coach in Goa for a few years, you know, I know the Chief Minister is a big fan of football. I had the opportunity to interact with him, and I think they, as they said, they just organize in a good way. You know, if I personally, being a coach of a club in the I-League, I could see the improvement in the stadiums, you know, after the Lusophonia games. So there was good things happen, and football is very popular in Goa. So to be fair, I don't want to jump into a conclusion.
You're willing to give them a chance?
Yeah, if these MLAs and they will be part of future big events, the World Cup is coming, then I think it's very useful, and it's happened in other countries.
You know, one of the reasons why perhaps the media and perhaps by sports enthusiasts are a little cynical about MLAs and politicians going into junkets is because of the sporting culture we have. We never put the sportsman at the center of our sporting culture. We've sort of put administrators and everyone else. That's perhaps one of the reasons why we are cynical about this one.
Well, we discussed this also about ex-players, why they are not coaches. True. You know, there is different jobs. I think personally, if a player, ex-player, had, for example, followed a certain build-up to be an organizer or to be either in sports management or something, that's okay, that's fine. There is also because it's different. I think it's different jobs.
The roles are very different.
The roles are completely different, and we have to understand sometimes it's not as easy as it looks. You know, so for example, there is a big debate in football: can a good player, excellent player, become a very good coach? So the job of a player is completely different than the job of a coach.
And job of an administrator
it's the same
as well.
Point, yes.
Okay, I just want you to listen to this phone interview that we did with Bruno Coutinho. He wanted to be a part of the delegation, and the Chief Minister seems to be suggesting that he had no idea of this desire. When we began that interview with Bruno Coutinho, we began by asking him about this desire to be part of the delegation. He made this desire, he made this very clear to the authorities, but his name indeed was dropped or cleared. We asked him whether he got any reasons from sports authorities or the government.
No, I didn't get any information regarding for what my name was deleted from the list. I am the joint director coaching and sports authority of Goa, and we had moved out the file for this thing, for the World Cup. But after my holidays with my family, so I came back and I saw that my name was deleted from the list.
Your name was deleted from the list. Bruno, I'm not sure if you know who all made it to that list. There is a fisheries minister and you've got a power minister apart from the sports minister. And in a sense, no one really represents the game of football. They may have played football.
See, somebody should think about it when a legend from Goa is there in Goa, who has brought name and fame for Goa and for the country, and who was the captain of the Indian team, and who has got the country's highest award in football, and officially CM has approved football as a #1 sport in Goa, and a football guy like me is not being taken. That means there is something wrong with that. No?
You know, I must tell our viewers that we recorded this interview earlier in the day when the controversy first broke out, and we asked him whether he would want the Chief Minister to reconsider that decision.
Yeah, I cannot elaborate nothing on that, but I see, as for me, like, CM is a sports-loving person. But if my name is not in that list, then there is something wrong initially in that file. It is not that I have no issues about. I don't have that. See, somebody. It is now for me. It is. I can say it is too late for me for my name because hardly any World Cup tickets are left.
Bruno Coutinho, do you plan to take this up with the authorities?
As a footballer and as a Arjuna and as a captain, as a former India captain, I am hurt, and I'm hurt really badly because my name has been withdrawn from that list.
Okay, so that's Bruno Coutinho. The last part of that answer was that I'm hurt and I'm very badly hurt because my name was withdrawn from that list. Do you want to change your opinion slightly or not at all?
No, I mean, my opinion is, it doesn't mean, what I feel personally is, I know Bruno Coutinho gave a lot to football, even Brahmanan, the name that was mentioned before. We definitely we should start, but it's a process. It doesn't happen just overnight. I think definitely, like in most countries, we should start encouraging, the people who had given to the sports. But it is a process. In a way, the government should encourage these people, but also the people who had been involved in football, they should also make effort also to get involved more, to get more expertise. To, as I said, I always come back to the player and the coach. Like now there is I give you a quick example. Now there is players who still play in I-League, in the League of India, who are now in Goa doing a C license coaching course.
True.
That is a very good step. So in a way, it's both ways. The people who are involved in the sports have to do an effort to improve themselves, and also the government should encourage them and push them forward.
Fair enough. Kareem, we'll have to leave it there. Thanks very much for joining us on this quick debate, not quite debate, but a quick fleshing out of this story. Join the debate. Remember, you can share your views on ibnlive.com, and the Goa Chief Minister, many of you perhaps would believe, making that fair point that we need to make a distinction between the organizers and the players of the game. We're not quite sure how much of organizational skills our MLAs and ministers from Goa have. Well, this is possibly one reason why India is so far behind in football to even think of the World Cup. There are going to be many more reasons, and we'll have that